Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hi friends, in this video we will get to know that how you can export the data of Mark into Tally. For this, firstly you will go to Masters, then to Mark Setup, then Control Room and then search Export. Then here you will get an option, that is option of data import, export, both, not required. Means, do you want to import the data or want to export or both? So suppose we will select both and we will save it by pressing escape key. After this, now you will change the power of the operator. For this, go to reports, then to management report and then come to change operator powers. Then select operator and press enter. Then search export. And from here, set yes to data import export option. Then save the changes by pressing escape key. And then log in by pressing Ctrl+U. Then now go to reports, then to management report, then utilities, then go to data import export and then go to Tally busy export import. Then select Tally 9 import export option and do OK. Now as you want to export the data of Mark into Tally, then select export Mark to Tally from here. Then if you want to export both masters and transactions, then select the both options. Along with it, if you want to include inventory, then do yes. After this, next is master file, that at which location you want to save the data of master file of Mark. Then simply select the location by clicking on browse. And similarly, there is day book file, that at which location you want to save the data of day book file. After this, select sale return and purchase return from here and then select voucher date, that from which date to which date you want to export the vouchers and then proceed. So you can see the data is exporting. Now open Tally after exporting the data from Mark. Then create the company. And one thing you will remember, that you have to enter that financial year date of the year you are importing the data into Tally. Then enter the beginning date of books and will save it. Then we will press F12 key from gateway of Tally and select general and do yes to these options. Then press F11 key, come to statutory and taxation, and if you are importing the data of GST from Mark, then do yes to GST, and if you are importing the data of VAT also, then do yes to VAT as well. After this, come to inventory after pressing F2, and if there are go downs in Mark and you want to import them in Tally, then do yes to maintain multiple go down option as well. So after doing all these settings, press Alt plus F2 and specify the date, that from which date till which date you want to import the data into Tally. Then now you will go to import data, come to masters and specify the path. We will specify that path here where we have exported the data of masters of Mark. Then after pressing enter, select modify with new data. Then data of masters will start importing. And now similarly we will import the vouchers. Come to vouchers and we will specify that path here where we have exported the data of day book of Mark. So in this we will import the vouchers. After this, if you will check the profit and loss of Tally and Mark, like as we come to profit and loss of Tally, then here the amount of purchase account is 2992183. And similarly, we will come to profit and loss of Mark, then you can see the same amount has been shown here. And similarly, you can see the sale account is 3377845. And the same amount is shown in Tally as well. Means data has been exported properly from Mark to Tally. After this, we will see like if there are issues at the time of data exporting, then how you will resolve it. And you will focus that when there are errors in mark, then exp error log file gets created and IMP file gets created in Tally. Now, like at the time of exporting the data, if there are errors shown to you like this in Tally, then it means it contains special characters in the data you are importing, due to which these errors are shown to you. Along with it, if you will open error file of Tally, let's open IMP file, then it will show you that what is the error. So an error of star is shown here, and along with it import summary is also shown. And if there are special characters in company master, item master or in packing, then data is not being exported properly. So firstly you will remove special characters. And similarly, if error log window has been opened like this in mark at the time of data exporting, then you will get to know that of which voucher of which particular date has an issue total mismatch. Like we will open voucher T000162 dated 11/9/2017. And for this you will simply go to books menu, then to entry books, and then go to day book. And if you want to view that in which voucher there is an issue, so for this you will press F8 key. So you will see that there is a difference of rupees 9.60 due to which there is a total mismatch. So if you want to correct this total mismatch, then you can do by modifying this voucher. So in this way you can resolve the issues. So friends, in this video we have seen that how you can export the data of mark into Tally. Thanks for watching.